Why you shouldn't put boiling water on a frozen window. Does it attract your window?
The fuck is this shit? Evan told me you had a fucking guitar, dude.
What the fuck? What kind of ankle is this? Oh my!
Are you guys siblings or dating?
Siblings and dating.
Okay, well, do you guys trust each other?
Yes, we do.
Alright, swap phones for 30 seconds and see what you find, okay?
Yeah, let's do it.
What is that?
What's
Why the hell are you texting my mom? Are you for real? Are you for real?
That's my stepmom.
You're a dick.
Oh!
You got a kid in the family?
What did he say?
Hello?
Hold up, bitch.
Excuse me?
You move from one seat to another. That ain't gonna fit. Look at me. Hey. Look at me. Hey, Dad!
I'm about to drop something! Hey! Hey!
How much do you know your sister?
Yeah, well, no, the thing is, though, is that she's got to go out and then come back in. I'm just having a look at the window. I was given the person. Callum, I'm on the phone! Sorry, fuck off. Oh my god, sorry.